Vaccines are one of the crowning achievements of modern medicine.
In this example, we have hypothetical results from a randomized controlled trial, RCT. We have treatment, vax placebo, and we have hospitalized. Yes, no. What we want to do in this example is determine the vaccine efficacy. Now, vaccine efficacy is 1 minus the relative risk quantity times 100% when the relative risk is expressed as a decimal. So this is equal to 1 minus, now the relative risk is a fraction of conditional probabilities, and it's the probability of randomly selecting a study participant who was hospitalized, and we're comparing the vaccinees with those given the placebo. Probability of outcome given exposure, probability of outcome given no exposure. This is the general definition of relative risk, and this is times 100%. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to write this as a fraction of fractions. The probability of randomly selecting a study participant who was hospitalized, that means hospitalized, yes, given that they were vaccinated, that's going to be 58 divided by 265. Remember, the condition of the conditional probability sets the denominator. And the probability of randomly selecting a study participant who was hospitalized, yes, given that they were assigned to the placebo, that's going to be 99 divided by 293. And this is quantity times 100%. Now, let's put this into the calculator step by step. We hit the parenthesis button, and then 1 minus 58 divided by 265. And now instead of dividing, we're going to multiply by 293 divided by 99. Then we're going to close the parentheses. We're going to hit the times button and then 100, but we are not going to hit the percent key. I want to repeat that. Do not hit the percent key. And the reason why we don't hit the percent key is because we want to keep these units. Vaccine efficacy is typically represented as a percentage. So we multiply by 100 to convert this decimal that's in the parentheses into a percentage. That's what we do, but we do not hit the percent key on the calculator. So please make a note of that. We hit equals, and we get 35.22. I'm going to round this to the nearest hundredth. Percent efficacious. Against hospitalization. Thank you all for watching, and if you've gained value from this video, I would really appreciate a like and a subscribe.